Okay, so you're on vacation, and because you're one of those people who's into video, you're into film, of course, you've got a camera with you, shooting little clips here and there. Maybe you turn it into a vacation video for you, your friends, your family, but wouldn't it also be cool to make some money from that? What I have for you today is 2 ideas that have worked for me to turn my vacation videos, the stuff that I'm just shooting for fun, into a little bit of money on the side. Now, it's not gonna pay for your whole vacation. You're not gonna be traveling for free or anything like that, but hey, maybe it'll cover a nice dinner out here or there. Pitch wherever you're staying. If that's a resort, a condominium development, pitch them on a short video. If you're not staying somewhere that's huge, that's an international resort chain, they might have little clips here and there. They might have a couple aerial shots, some okay phone photos, but they probably don't have a nicely edited video, the kind of thing that you can deliver and add value. It doesn't have to be super long. It can be 60 seconds, it can be 90 seconds, blue water, sunsets, sunrises, that kind of awesome stuff that is exactly what they're looking for, but they just might not know how to go about getting that made. So my case study of doing this past winter, I was actually in Florida, and I had with me my Mavic Pro 2. And so I was getting some drone clips through the week, and I was looking back through them, and I had the thought, what if I could make a video for this resort? And so I did my research. This resort had on their website, on their social media, they had some nice little video clips. They had a couple like little aerial photos, some sunset photos, that kind of thing. Nothing really professionally done, nothing that was really comprehensive, and nothing that they owned. And so I saw an opportunity. I said, hey, I'm just gonna cut together a short video and let's see what happens. And so the week after I came back, I cut together a 60-second promo and then started to do my research on where to send it. I looked at their website, their contact form, did a Google search, a LinkedIn search, trying to find somebody whose job title might make sense with being able to send them the video, and they'd be able to make the decision on whether to license the video from me. But because it is a pretty small resort, I didn't really have that kind of luck. They didn't have somebody, in a communications or in a development kind of role. I did not give up there. I went on Facebook, saw that their Facebook page was super active, and that their Facebook Messenger said that they responded within a couple of hours. And so I went ahead and shot them a message on their Facebook page. Now, I kept it super simple. I went with a relatable opening saying that I had just stayed at the property, that I really enjoyed it. I also showed that I did my research. I said, hey, you guys don't have a cool aerial video, and you don't have a video right away on your website that looks super nice. And then I provided my solution. I shot a video, I made it, I already put it together for you, and here you go, here's a sample, go ahead and take a look at this. I sent them a Vimeo link that was watermarked and said, hey, take a look at this, let's talk about how to get this footage into your hands. And things moved pretty easily forward from there. They came back and said, hey, we really like the video, we'd love to license it, how much would it cost, how can we go about moving the process forward? So I charged them a $200 licensing fee, nothing crazy. I wanted to make sure, I didn't want to price myself out of actually selling the video. They gave me 2 really easy revisions. That was that. I've licensed them a video, I provided them a master copy, provided them a copy that was compressed for their use on social media, and there you have it. Really easy way to make a little bit of money off your vacation videos. Whether that works or not, whether you license the video or not, I also highly recommend turning your vacation video into stock footage. Now, I sell all my stock footage on Blackbox, and there are 1,000,001 clips of sunrises and sunsets at the beach, especially shot with handheld cameras. Drones, there's still a little bit of competition there, but it's going to be really hard to get ranked for beach sunrise and sunset videos since everyone takes their drone to the beach. But say you're vacationing in a super exotic place, say you're vacationing somewhere that's hard to get to, or if you can provide a really unique perspective, say if you can get friends or family to sign releases and be models in your stock footage, that's a really great way to make a little bit of extra money. I've sold some clips from my vacations over the years on stock footage websites. Again, it's not going to pay for your entire vacation at once. You can't just put the vacation on a credit card and 30 days later pay it off with your money from stock footage and from licensing. But again, it's a nice dinner here and there. It's part of the airfare. It's just a simple way to make some side income and turn your little fun vacation videos into some actual money.
All right, Drew, do your magic.